Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first draw 1. The numbers of 1. O-N-E 1. Kids, now draw 2. The numbers of 2. And use red color. T-W-O 2. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use green color THRW 3. Kids, now 4. The numbers of 4 and use yellow color FOUR 4. Kids, now 5. The numbers of 5 and use black color FIVE 5. Kids, now 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color SIX 6. Kids, now 7. The numbers of 7 and use red color SEVE and 7. Kids, now 8. The numbers of 8 and use green color EIGHT 8. Kids, now 9. The numbers of 9 and use yellow color and INE 9. Kids, now 10. The numbers of 10 and use black color TE and 10. Kids, today draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.